Hi everyone, welcome back. We are going to be seeing another funnel. It's a work from home funnel or a survey funnel. In fact, you can do it for any CPA offer because this is a micro commitment funnel. Our prospect is going to answer very simple questions and will be taken to a thank you page. It's a little bit different because it will take your prospect to a thank you page. However, let's see the funnel. Now, this is the landing page. You can have a few other landing page and do split testing because the biggest impact that we have on a landing page is the headlines. People read the headlines and they are either fascinated or turned off. So the headlines are the biggest factor that will determine whether the person is going to go to the next page or not. Headlines can be there can be sub headlines, and then there can be pictures can determine whether somebody is going to go through the funnel or not. People love visual images, so in your landing page have good headlines or split test different headlines and have some pictures. Anyway, this is a very simple funnel. Once they press on here, they go to the next page, and this is the same thing, and they answer yes or no question. They are taken to the third page of the funnel. So they are asked another question, very simple question. Then they go to the fourth page of the funnel. Can you work flexible hours? Yes or no? Then they are going to the fifth page of the funnel where you're going to be collecting their leads, their email address. So there is a picture of a family having fun in front of the laptop. Picture of a family converts better for some reason. It gives a positive reinforcement. So after putting their email, they're taken to the thank you page. So this offer was for survey, this funnel was for survey. So they are taken to the thank you page, and in the thank you page you can split test different variation of thank you page. This will be a good factor for your successful campaign, whether you are having one thank you page or different thank you page, and see which one converts the best. Anyway, there is a lady which we can take the picture from Google. She introduces herself and explains the following thing for the prospect. So she explains how the survey company works, what company surveys they're going to be filling. So here is a picture that we got from Google, and basically she explains the survey companies to the prospect so that the prospect clicks and then fill up the CPA offer. So this is a very simple page which takes less than 15-20 minutes to make in InstaBuilder. So there is step 1, step 2, step 3. Step 1, it says here is going to be a picture of the survey company, which you can take from Max Bounty or the survey website page itself. You're going to copy it and then just paste it over here. There's going to be the name of the survey company, and these blanks are going to be the name of the survey company. So you can put one survey company here, you can put another survey company here, so you can split test the pages. Like you can put 4 survey companies here, 3 or 2 or 1 survey company, and then split test all these thank you pages and see what is converting better for you. So that was the reason why we split test the thank you page. So you can be generating around, if it is $2 or $3 per survey company. This thank you page can generate around $8 to $10. Find the winning thank you page. So, but this is got the potential to put how many amount of surveys you want and make it attractive so that the prospect goes and fills the CPA offers. So step 1, step 2. Step 2 says to your prospect that they're going to go to the email and then confirm their registration. And step 3 is asking people to start the surveys. So very simple. And here is a testimonial. Also, we will be needing the disclaimer, privacy and terms of services. It's very important.